Hi, welcome. Today we are going to be going over the double crochet stitch. So if you want to learn that stitch, this video is for you. Grab yourself your hook, some yarn, and let's get to it. Double crochet stitch. So to start a double crochet stitch, I have chained 12 here for my swatch, and why I chained 12 is because I am going to end up with 10 double crochet stitches in my row. And in order to do that, I'm going to skip these first two chains. There we go. Wasn't focusing there. Okay, so I'm going to skip these first two and I'm going to start in the third chain from the hook. So I'm going to wrap my yarn around my hook. I'm going to go into the third stitch from the third chain from the hook. I'm going to yarn over, pull up a loop. That gives me 3 loops on my hook. From here I'm going to yarn over again. I'm going to pull through 2. I'm going to yarn over again and I'm going to pull through the last 2. And that is 1 double crochet stitch. Now why I started 2 in is because I want to give my double crochet, I want to give this row the proper height for my double crochet stitches. So I'm going to continue my double crochets all the way along my chain here. I'm going to wrap my yarn around my hook, I'm going to go into the next chain, I'm going to yarn over, I'm going to pull up a loop. It gives me 3 loops on my hook. I'm going to yarn over, I'm going to pull through 2, yarn over, pull through the last 2 on my hook. And I'm going to do that again, yarning over, going into the next chain, yarning over again, pulling up a loop. I have 3 loops on my hook. I'm going to yarn over, I'm going to pull off 2 loops, leaving 2 on my hook, and I'm going to yarn over and pull through those last 2. Yarn over, insert it into the next chain, yarning over, pulling up a loop, yarning over, pulling through 2, yarning over, pulling through 2. Yarn over, go into the next chain, yarn over, pull up a loop, 3 loops on my hook. I'm going to yarn over, I'm going to pull through 2, yarning over, pull through 2. Yarn over into the next chain, yarning over, pulling up a loop, 3 loops on my hook, yarn over, pull off the first 2, yarn over, pull off the last 2. Again. Last one. Hair. If you crochet or knit or do anything with yarn, you will come across so much hair. Okay, so I've done my first little row of double crochet stitches. I'm going to create another row, so I'm going to chain 2 to make sure that that row is the right height. So 1, 2, and then I'm going to take my little swatch and I'm going to flip it around and I'm going to yarn over. I'm going to insert my hook into this first stitch here. I'm going to yarn over, pulling up a loop, yarning over, pulling off 2, yarning over, pulling off 2. All the way down, yarning over, inserting my hook, yarning over, pulling up a loop, yarning over, pulling off 2, yarning over, pulling off 2. Wrap my yarn around my hook, insert it into the next stitch, wrap my hook around my yarn, pulling up a loop, 3 loops on my hook, wrap my yarn around my hook, pull through 2 loops, wrap it around again, and pull through the last 2. Again. Wrapping my yarn around my hook, inserting it into the next stitch, wrapping my hook around my yarn, pulling up a loop, wrapping my yarn around my hook, pulling off 2 loops, wrapping it around again, pulling through 2 more loops. Around, in, around, up, around, 2 off, around, 2 off. This hair just does not want to leave. Okay, there we go. I think I got it. So wrap my yarn around my hook, pull through 2, wrap it around again, pull off the last 2. One more time, wrapping my yarn around my hook, inserting it into this last chain here, wrapping my yarn around my hook, pulling up a loop, 3 loops on my hook, wrapping around, pulling off 2, round, pulling off 2. And there we have double crochet stitches. In this next row, I am going to slow it down. So I'm going to chain 2, 1, 2, flip, and I'll slow this row down for you.